afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Is it afternoon? No, it's still the morning. Anyway, Chris, your favourite four-wheel drive presenter, back again. OZ Canopies and 4x4. What have we got? We have a PX3 Wild Track in today. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the roller shutter and we are going to fit a steel canopy. We're going to go through the assembly process and the fitment process, and we are going to get stuck right into it. Other than that, I don't know why I opened the tailgate. Let's get into it. Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You guys are now joining me in the wet part of the video. It started raining since we got working on it, man. You know what I mean? We got all these things happening. We start in the morning, weather, it's nice, and then the afternoon, it's raining. Welcome to Sydney weather. Actually, Sydney weather's pretty consistent. Anyway, that's an aside. What have we got here? You can see we've got the steel canopy that's been fitted on this PX3 Wild Track. You can see the roller on it was barely operating. You know what I mean? So Ford can't build a roller shutter, right? But that gives us an opportunity for us to put a canopy on there. Very, very straightforward. You got these push locks on either side. Pulls up like so, right? And you can see just how much space has been added to the tub. Right? If you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. You got these rails rated up to 300 kilograms, so you can push it as much as you like. Anything more than that, your tub is going to fail on you, all right? So never exceed the manufacturer recommendations for loading of your tub. Other than that, if you liked the fitting video, definitely like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've got a lot more in the pipeline. Other than that, we'll see you on that one. And one more other than that, just for good measure. See yous.